Hi everyone, I'm Albert Varki. In this video, I'll show you the upgrade to VLOOKUP function that will totally change your game. Let's dive in. I used to like VLOOKUP a lot, but after discovering this function, I never used it again. Here's the issue with VLOOKUP. It only works when the lookup column is to the left of the return column. For example, if your lookup values are in column A and the data you want to return is in column B, VLOOKUP works just fine. But if your table is set up in the other way around, with the return column on the left, VLOOKUP fails. And that's where XLOOKUP comes in. It works almost the same way, but without this limitation. With XLOOKUP, you simply give it the lookup array and the return array, and it doesn't matter where they are in the table. For example, if your lookup array is column B and your return array is column A, XLOOKUP handles it perfectly. It works like magic every time. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks.